Cooking is an experience, and your girl is experimenting again. Puff pastry stuffed with some spinach or calallo. Whatever you want to call it, look at them. Yes, done by your girl, Shelly, Jamaican Bickle and Lifestyle. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to give the video a like. So I bought a box of puff pastry, and here I'm about to experiment. So I started off with my aromatics and a little olive oil, and I'll be adding some frozen calallo and carrots. You could also use spinach. Added me some chicken bouillon, garlic powder, a little dash of salt, some unsalted butter. I use lots of spicy pepper in this. Some jalapeno was also used. Stir your pot because it's frozen calallo, and I did not use a lot of oil because you don't want that pastry puff to get wet. Added me a little black pepper, and within 20 minutes my veggies were ready. Looking all colorful, and guess what? I added me some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on this. Then I just sprinkled a little flour on my cutting board to add the pastry puff on this. They were in the freezer. I took them out like 30 minutes before, so they are still a little bit hard on the outside. Added a little olive oil on my pan. I did this one off camera, and I'll show you how I fill this and form this out. So I opened my puff pastry, and then I added in my spinach, aka calallo, carrots, whatever you want to call it. Well seasoned, well spicy. Once I pat this in, and I added cheese to just give it a little different flavor. Big back season. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from and what you have experimenting on in your kitchen. If you love cooking like I do, don't forget to set that notification bell. Then I just use my knife to like mark them. I did a little egg wash, which I use to coat them on the outside, and I'll be adding this in my oven on 350 degrees. The box says 20 minutes to do the crust, but this took like 30 minutes for me. No raw food around here. I'm about to add it in my oven. Your girl was so tired, but I've been working. You can use this as a dessert on your Thanksgiving table, or you can do it for your kids. Stuff with whatever you want. Look at it. Listen, we enjoyed this. Me and my daughter were eating them away. I did not eat any dinner this day because this was a lot of carbs. You too should try them. The pastry puff is a little bit expensive, but listen, man, sometimes you need to try different things. Yes, it's more like a croissant type. The puff pastry, listen, this tasted good, and you will see your girl getting on in it. It was spicy. It tasted really good. You can add this to your Thanksgiving list of recipes that I've been given. Make sure that you're watching all my other Thanksgiving playlists. I gave you soup, curried, turkey wings smothered. I'll be doing my thing. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, share the video. Make sure you're subscribed and set that notification bell. And listen, I give this a 10. Guys, I did great for the month of November on into December. Don't forget subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, like up the video them, share them up. Thank you for tuning in to some Thanksgiving American style recipes. Stay tuned for December.